If you guys would like to see how I made this beautiful cool shirt using Kasyu's Infusible ink and hot foil, keep watching this video. Hey guys, it's Sherelle from El Rey Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a shirt using infusible ink and hot foil. And the company Kasyu was kind enough to give me some products to show you guys. And the company Kasyu was also very nice enough to offer me a coupon code for you guys. So I do have a coupon code for both the foil and the infusible ink transfers. So I have them linked up here. And I will also have the coupon codes linked directly in the description box. And I will also have the links to the products in the description box as well. So they sent infusible ink transfers here. This is like the animal print ones. And you get 12 sheets in here, and they are very nice. So these are all the ones you get in here. So we're going to be using this one right here today, which I thought is really cute. So this is the transfer sheet. As you can see, it looks very dull compared to the picture here. If you look at the picture, this is what supposed to look like, and that's what it looks like. So don't be alarmed when you guys get these and you see that the colors don't look vibrant. The colors activate once you press them at high heat. You also need to press these infusible inks on 100% polyester shirts. You could use between 65 and 100, but the higher the polyester count is, the more vibrant your print will come out. So I am using a 100% polyester shirt today. This is the shirt I'm using, and it says it is 100% polyester. And for the foil, this is the foil they sent me. As you can see, it does look pretty small, but you get quite a lot of foil in here. You get 7 rows of foil in these, and you get 7 colors. You get gold, silver, rose gold, red, green, blue, and purple. They are only 5 inches wide, but they actually extend to 9.8 feet long. So you get quite a lot of foil in this little box here. So for my design today, I'm going to be using this rainbow leopard infusible ink sheet along with the silver foiled. And you cannot just use the foil. You cannot just press the foil on your shirt. You do need another product. And this is what you would need. You would need some type of hot melt adhesive. But yeah, now we're gonna jump to our Cricut machine. I'm using a Cricut machine to cut this. So I'm gonna use the Cricut machine to cut out my design on this and then on this here. And also, when you're using these sheets, you also want to make sure your design is mirrored. So you're going to be cutting it backwards. Very important, because your design has to be mirrored going onto your shirt. As you guys can see here, these are my design. I'm doing a design called Wild Child. And as you can see, both of them are mirrored. This is how I am going to cut them. Okay, so for the infusible ink sheets, I cut it using the infusible ink sheet settings for my Cricut Maker. And now we are just going to weed out the part we do not need. Okay, so that is weeded out. And now we're gonna get our heat press ready and our shirt ready. I put butcher paper inside my shirt, therefore the ink will not transfer onto the back side of my shirt. Also, I lint rolled my shirt, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but that's all the lint that came off my shirt. So I am just using the easy press. I have it preheating. It is heating up to 400 degrees, and the time is 60 seconds. That's what you need to press. I'm going to center it where I want it to be. And as you can see, I cut it mirrored, so backwards. So when I flip it this way, it will press the right way on the shirt. So find where you want it. You're going to get another piece of butcher paper or parchment paper. If you use parchment paper, make sure it does not have any coating on it, wax or anything. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna take my heat press and we are going to press that. Like I said, I had mine for, well, it's 390, 60 seconds. So anywhere from 385 to 400, between 50 and 60 seconds. Now I'm taking this. This is the hot adhesive, and I'm just gonna line it up as good as I can. And this said to also cover it with the parchment paper it came with. So I'm just using my butcher paper, and we're gonna press this for 20 to 30 seconds. And then you just need to let this cool down. Once this cooled, you should be able to pull this top layer on the adhesive right off. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see that little shiny part. That's the adhesive, and now we just need to get our foil at least that same size and put over this design. So I am using their silver foil. I'm just going to measure like that and then cut that piece off, place that over the design like so. And again, you're going to use a piece of parchment or butcher paper. You do not want to use the same piece you just used to apply the adhesive, because even if you don't see it, a little bit of that infusible ink most likely transferred on here. If you press it back up here, it will press on your shirt in a different spot. Make sure you get a fresh piece, place it over, and we're going to do 320 for 30 seconds. All right, you guys, so my shirt is completely cool. So now we are just going to peel the foil off. And look at that, you guys. Isn't that so cute? So as you can see, all of that came right off. So what it looks like. So cute. And that extra foil that's up there, as you can see, is coming right off with the lint roller. So it will come off, so don't worry about that. As soon as you wash it, it will come off. This is our shirt. Came out so cute. Okay, you guys, so as you see, this is our final results. The shirt came out adorable. The infusible ink paired with the foil is just so cute. Look at that shine. Just as a little extra something. And as you also can see, the shirt came out way more vibrant than what the actual infusible ink transferred showed. So keep that in mind as well. But everything came out beautiful and perfect. Again, thank you so much to Kasyu for providing me these products. And if you guys want to try these products out, they did give me the coupon code, so I will have that linked in the description box. Like I said before, I will also have it linked on my Amazon storefront. If you guys want to watch the video there, purchase everything right from that storefront as well, I will have all that linked for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I will make sure to get back to you guys. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye now.